Benidorm's combining not one, not two, not three different types of celebrations these upcoming days. No wonder that it's insanely packed, busy and crazy here. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to a brand new video where we show you how Benidorm manages to combine three different celebrations all at once. We start today's video right next to the British House by the Uncle Pets, which is traditionally known as the international area in Rincon de Loix. So many people are enjoying a great day. It's finally sunny in Benidorm, so it's not only three celebrations, but it's also sunny, nice, hot and warm, and so many people are flooding the local businesses and bars, which is why it looks like it's basically summer in our town. Look at the incredible atmosphere, at the amount of people, drinks flowing, people still celebrating the Cheltenham's festival, the race week, horse racing everywhere on the screens. And people are enjoying the sunshine, buckets, cocktails everywhere, laugh, music, just conversations between friends and groups. This is the authentic Benidorm. This is how we all know it and love to see it. Apart from that, obviously, it's not only the festival, it's not only the race, but there's also two other things that will be happening in Benidorm, and for what we are in a full preparation for, of course, and obviously. One of them is being a Spanish celebration, which is Fallas. We'll show you right next to the Levante Beach. By the way, our aim is to go to the Levante Beach right now. if we're able to get there. It does look very, very busy on the streets though, so we'll see how it goes. But our aim is to go up until the Levante Beach and show you guys what's happening out there, all the latest changes, because it's very different this year. And obviously the last bit of celebration and preparations that have started already, which is why also we have the flags, is the St. Patrick's Day. All the places are getting ready for St. Patrick's Day. So it's St. Patrick's, it's Cheltenham's festival, and it's Fallas, all in one single week's time. How about that? Which is why we are continuing our walk towards the Levante Beach. Enjoy the real sound meanwhile, and we'll see you when we're there.
Thank you. Thank you. Blah. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Good day. Hi, YouTube. Good day. Go, bye. Good day. Cheers. Hi. Good day. Thank you. Good day. Thank you. Thank you. Good day. Hey. Hi. Hi. Qué bonito, ¿eh? Hola. Gracias. Hi. Hey. Good day.
Snack over it, if you want to say over. Right there with a blue hat on. Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Thank you. Di hola. Thank you. Thank you. Hey.
That was intense. We are in Rincon de Leute already, and as promised, we'll give you some information here. By the way, it's around plus 25 real feel on the sunshine now, which is quite nice. We are in Rincon de Leute, right by the Levante Beach, and this time the fair migrated towards the beach. It's usually on the upper side of the town, and it's not as busy, honestly. So I feel like that is the reason why they've put it out here by the beach for all the locals and tourists to see that there's actually a fair. Very smart move, I have to say, and definitely way more people will be enjoying it. There's going to be bouncing beds, there's going to be some things for kids, there's going to be some attractions, some entertainment, some music, some snacks, like a typical fair snacks if you wish. And all of this will be available out here for you. So a lot of tourists are pending to see what's going to be happening. There's also going to be the falla, which is the colorful sculpture right here in this specific area. Usually it's right there where the bus stop is located, around here. And on the left side, this is where it's going to be. People are ready for the St. Patrick's Day already. Still slightly too early, but hey, people are getting ready. And there's a lot of shops that sell green things, by the way. A lot of green outfits. Everything green that's available is being sold out there. And now let's head towards the Levante Beach. Let's see what's happening there, because I have a feeling it's going to be incredibly busy. And there's a whole lot of people everywhere we go. That is for sure.
Bueno.
Hello. We're here party.
Hi, how are you? Fine?
Look at that, we got ourselves some new friend. It's actually very nice. See, we all gather out here in Benidorm town. No wonder it is a gorgeous place, and many people are arriving out here to enjoy and create some memories and obviously share it with the world. too. What could be better than that? So busy everywhere we go. Sunscreen everywhere, by the way, too. People are getting some nice spring tan and all the places here nearby. It's packed, it's busy, it's loud. Look at that.
Benidorm bandit, motherfucker. Big up the top.
Big up Leeds, cuz.
And some fresh tattoos, as you can see. People obviously are coming here to enjoy. They're coming here to have a good holiday. People are making tattoos and something to remember the area of. There are so many groups everywhere. It's shocking on how many groups of people are arriving. Maybe it's not like a specific bridal shower or something celebration, but overall, really busy. So many places. Ambulances obviously always will be here by the beach, which is also a good part. There's always an ambulance. There's always someone who's able to help you out in case any kind of help is needed.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo va la cosa? ¿Bien? Good day. Thank you.
Hello.
Good day, Che.
As you were able to see, extremely busy, very hot outside, feels like an authentic summer in Benidorm back again. This is the authentic Benidorm, how we love to see it every single day.